All right, good afternoon, everyone. I have here with me one of the official candidates for this year, Mr. Nueva Ecija, Patrick Leonard Mendoza from the municipality of Bungabon. Hello,
Hello
Patrick.
po.
How does it feel to finally be an official candidate for Mr. Nueva Ecija?
For me po, it's very overwhelming na maging parte po ng ganito kalaking kompetisyon sa Nueva Ecija. And it's also an opportunity for me to represent my municipality and showcase the beauty of Bongabon.
All right, so is this your first ever local pageant in Nueva Ecija?
Actually, I joined in previous organization, the Ginong Nueva Ecija, and luckily I won there and represent Bongabon Nueva Ecija in national pageant in Mr. Grand Philippines.
Oh, okay. So, the fact na meron kang first-hand experience sa national pageant, do you think this will be an advantage for you this time sa Mr. Nueva Ecija?
For me po, meron po akong experience lalo na sa when it comes to confidence sa nangyayari po inside the organization or during the pageant. And also, I think right now I am more confident because uh, all the experience that I gained in national pageant, I can use it right now.
All right. So, assuming manalo ka ng isa sa mga crowns
Yes.
at stake sa Mr. Nueva Ecija, on a scale of 1 to 10, how ready are you to represent the province?
I rate myself 8 because I believe that there's always room for improvement. And tingin ko po ngayon, mas kailangan ko pang mag-tone down sa katawan ko since I gain a lot of weight right now. But I can cope up with that.
Speaking of preparations, ano so far yung pinaka mahirap na preparation mo going here sa Mr. Nueva Ecija?
Since nagpahinga po ako ng isang taon sa pageantry, medyo yung pasarela ko po, nire-refresh ko, my Q&A training, and especially my com skills po.
All right. Thank you very much. Good luck to you, Patrick, and we'll see more of you in the coming weeks. Once again, guys, we have with us Patrick Leonard Mendoza representing the municipality of Bungabon.
Bongabon.